Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna cook Khaw Kha Moo or slow cooked pork leg. It's Chinese style and this is one of my favorites. So I'm gonna cook and here's all the ingredients. So first step, you need to fry them on the pan. The reason you need to fry this one on the pan to make it like smell better, way better. This is the secret. Fry them, and here are the water. Boil water. Whoop. keep boil them. We're gonna fry this one first, and then we're gonna fry the pork skin. I might need to put you guys somewhere here so you guys can see me. Okay, so now the herb is all frying up. All you need to do is rest them a little bit, and then we fry the pork. Next step is to fry the pork leg. Adding oil, quite a lot. Use medium heat because I don't want the oil to be too hot. Okay, now the oil starts to get hot. I will be very careful. I think I need to use my hand. It's so big. Very careful. Drip only the fat part because you don't want to fry the meat, because when you slow cook them, it's gonna get too hard. I want this one to be very soft and juicy. So you need to fry only the skin, around the skin. Oop. Make sure that your pork is dry, otherwise the oil is gonna be like going anywhere. See, now as you can see, the skin is brown. That's all you need, like a little bit crispy like this. That's all you need. So now get the hot water like very boiling, and then add the sauce that we already been mixed in first. The water I put is just like half of the pot. Don't worry how much the water you have to put in, because you need to check in every 1 hour for the water, and then you add more, because we're gonna put on here for like 2 to 3 hours. And then the dry ingredient that we already been mixed, put it in the pot. Now it's time for the herb. If you have like fabric, you can put all the herb in here, all the soup. So when you take the pork out, this herb will not bother you when you're eating. But I don't have it. And then add the pork leg in. Oops. Almost too big. Okay. Now it's time to wait for 1 hour, and then you shake the water again. This is 1.5 hours later. I'm gonna check if I have to add the water or not. Oh, look at that. So the water is still there. I don't have to add any water more, because this pot is so good. It's keep all the water streaming itself. I'm gonna see how soft the pork is. It's still not soft enough. I have to boil them maybe 1.5 or more. I just need them to be like very, very soft. It's gonna be so good. So this is 3 hours later. I take all the herb out already after 2 hours. Let me check the mixed gluten. I'm gonna turn down the heat a little bit. And I'm gonna give it a taste. Try. It's supposed to be a little sweet, little salty. Sweet. And now time to check for the meat. Is it ready? This part is ready. It's coming out easy. The fat is soft. I'll show you. The skin, look. So this is what you need. I just cut to like that. Oh, you see? It says okay. This is ready. So I need some help here to lift up the pork. Look, it's so good. Now we're gonna cook this one. Mom, what is this one called again? In English? What is this one called again in English?
Thailand.
Kailan?
Thailand.
Kailan. In Thailand we call Khana. We're gonna cook Khana with hot soup. I need to boil the soup. And then eat with like boiled egg, and then we're gonna cook some rice. Try them. How is it?
So good.
Tastes alright.
I'm gonna have a bit of taste. Good? So now it's time for the food. Take this one out and put in a container. Close them. Don't let it got the wind because the wind gonna dry them out. And we're gonna chopping them.
More rice if you want more rice on, but
Yes, okay.
you
Just
want it, huh?
yeah, just. But well, we can add more rice anytime.
we can add more rice if you want.
Yeah. Like that, and then we're gonna put egg. And put the soup on here. Here. And this is the finished look. This is my favorite customer. if he like it then
I like it.
okay now mom gonna try this try with the dip is also good with rice how is it good
Yummy.
this one
Very
like
tasty.
everything that I cook
It's good.
And that is it guys for today's video. Me cooking Thai food with Adam families. Khaw Kha Moo finally is very been. So I'm very appreciate and grateful to do the cooking because I like cooking and show Adam moms some Thai food. I'm very happy to doing that. And I'm gonna end the video today with Thai word. I'm gonna teaching you the word ทำอาหารทำอาหาร is mean cooking ทำอาหารทำกับข้าว that's two things okay see you guys next time บ๊ายบายขอบคุณมากค่ะ